Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is truly a showstopper. This is from my good friends at Impress Communications in Chatsworth, California. This piece, there is so much production wow factor in this. You're going to be amazed. There's lots of extra information down in the comments below the video and also in the email blast in the production notes. But I'm going to get to as much as I possibly can. They actually did about 2,000 of these. They designed these and produced these entirely in-house. It was actually their holiday mailing for 2,000 customers, but this is not a holiday piece. And so that's why I just thought this goes so far beyond the holiday. This is a really cool keepsake that they sent. It comes in a box. It's shimmery and beautiful. Opens up, and there's a little layer in here. It says, "The answers to all you seek lie within." You lift the little tray layer here that also keeps this in nicely, and inside is a magic 8-ball made out of paper, and inside of it is another ball that gives you answers to the questions you ask it. So it comes out, it's all laser cut and etched. They have a Hikon Euclid 3 on site, and it's also personalized. This says Trish Witkowski on it. It's got a little window in it, and inside you can see this holographic foil ball with answers on it. So now you need my help. It's got, emojis on it. It's got all sorts of fun things, and they give you a little tray. So I'll leave the little shipper box, and they did one just for me. It says Trish Witkowski Foldfactory, and it's got beautiful shimmer inside, and you just set it right in the tray on your desk, and then you can play with it and ask it questions, and it's just beautiful. So a little bit about production. There's so much to talk about, but these were printed, this is 18-point C1S. These were printed 4-color on a customized Komori 8-color press, and then there was Flexo silver underneath, 4-color printing on top of that. They had an atomic sparkle reticulating UV coating on this to give it extra shimmer. Foil on the back side. This is the carrier tray. So they did something similar on the shipper box. And then I want to show you these. So this is the 8-ball. And the 8-ball is printed black with soft touch coating on the outside, and then detailed laser cutting and etching on a Hikon Euclid 3. Backside is foil, and they did a foil stamp, by the way. They said that they considered using a foil board, but they wanted to have a lot of control over substrate, and they were really concerned about the folding and then the quality, and so they opted to foil stamp. So this has a gold foil stamp, or no, a holographic, sorry, holographic gold on this one. And then the little interior piece is also, this was printed 4-color and then foil stamped over that one side, and then these were also laser cut. And so the way this kind of works, these are both the same, basically the same die shape or cut shape. The just difference is in the detail, but then these just fold in. He said that they did about 2,000 of them, and it took their in-house team about a week to put them together, but as you can imagine, they just fold like this. This is what the little interior ball looks like. Wonderful little holographic ball. So it's basically this, but smaller. And then it shakes around inside. And I love that they have the holographic foil here, and the interior of this has the holographic foil so that this really reflects and shimmers inside. So they're just working with the different effects. Amazing, engaging, incredible use of print. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Memorable magic 8-ball personalized mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.